Strategic training. Strategic training refers to learning initiatives that are directly aligned with an organization's business strategy and long term goals. The key characteristic focuses on organizational performance, not just individual skill improvement. Links training outcomes to measurable business results. Supports competitive advantage. Integrated with vision, mission, and corporate objectives. Training shifts from being a cost center into being a strategic investment. Evolution of training from event to strategy. Traditional training approach use one-time programs, classroom-based, reactive with solve immediate problems and limited evaluation. Meanwhile, strategic learning approach, having a continuous learning process, proactive and future-oriented, includes formal and informal learning, use technology and knowledge management systems, evaluates impact on performance. Modern organizations treat learning as part of daily operations. Learning as a source of competitive advantage. Organizations gain advantage when they develop unique employee competencies, strong leadership pipelines, innovative capabilities, adaptability to environmental change. Human capital becomes difficult for competitors to imitate, therefore, strategic training supports long term sustainability. The learning organization. A learning organization are the continuously creates, acquires, and transfers knowledge, encourages experimentation and innovation, promotes teamwork and system thinking, supports employee development at all levels. The strategic training and development process. Step 1. Align training with business strategy. Business strategies may focus on cost leadership, differentiation, innovation, and customer service excellence. With examples, when we use cost leadership, it will lead to efficiency and technical skills. And for the innovation, lead to creativity and risk taking. And for the customer service, it will lead to interpersonal and communication skills. Step 2. Identify strategic training initiatives. Strategic initiatives are broad learning priorities that support the business goals. The examples: leadership development programs, technology and digital skills training, change management programs, diversity and inclusion initiatives, customer relationship training. Step 3. Implement training activities. Implementations involves selecting appropriate delivery methods. It can be instructor-led training, e-learning platforms, blended learning, coaching and mentoring, on-the-job training, knowledge management systems. Step 4. Evaluate and measure the result. Strategic training requires measurement to justify the investment. The metrics may include productivity improvements, reduced errors or defects, customer satisfaction scores, employee engagement levels, retention rates, financial performance indicators. Organizational factors that affecting strategic training. Training systems are influenced by the company size. We have large versus small organizations, top management support, integration of business units, global presence, business conditions with economic growth or downturn, human resource practices. Strong leadership, it will support because it's the most critical factor for the success of the organizations. Organizing the training function. The common structures. The first one, corporate university. Centralized training structure, strong alignment with strategy, consistent curriculum, focus on leadership development. Meanwhile, the second one, business embedded model, they have training professionals embedded in business units, faster response to operational needs, and greater customizations. The structures depends on organizational strategy and complexity. Outsourcing and marketing training. The training must be marketed internally to demonstrate the value. Yeah, it should have clear communication of benefits, executive endorsement, and visible success stories. The outsourcing is used when specialized expertise is required, internal capability is limited, and the cost efficiency is needed. However, the outsourcing may reduce the internal control. The case Hitachi Data Systems Global Learning Team. Hitachi Data Systems, or HDS, operates in highly competitive and rapidly evolving global technology industry. As the company expanded across regions, it faced challenges in maintaining consistent employees' competencies, leadership quality, and knowledge sharing. Learning initiatives were previously decentralized and fragmented, making it difficult to ensure the alignment with overall business strategy and global objectives. To overcome these challenges, SDS established a global learning team to standardize and strategically manage the training worldwide. The team focused on leadership development, technical capability enhancement, and the use of blended learning systems to support the continuous learning. With strong top management support, the learning function evolved into a strategic partner that aimed at strengthening the global integration and sustaining the competitive advantage of the company. Question: how can HDS ensure that its global learning function truly supports business strategy and creates competitive advantage? Yes, HDS using the integrated solutions align learning initiatives directly with strategic goals such as innovation, customer focus, and global integration. They also implement a hybrid structure that combines centralized global standards with regional flexibility. And also, they develop a strong global leadership pipeline through structured leadership programs, utilize technology-based and blended learning system to support scalability and continuous development. They also establish measurable performance indicators including productivity, employee engagement, leadership effectiveness, customer satisfaction, and financial outcomes. The conclusion: strategic training ensures that learning initiatives are aligned with business strategy and contribute directly to organizational performance. Training is viewed as a long-term investment in human capital, supporting competitive advantage through clear strategic alignment, effective implementation, and measurable outcomes. When supported by the top management and integrated into organizational culture, the training functions becomes a strategic partner rather than administrative activity. The organizations that apply strategic training effectively are better equipped to adapt to change, strengthen leadership capabilities, and sustain the long term success.